On Sunday, 2 March 2024, Prophet Makandiwa challenges every prophet, every nganga vanozviti vanoona. Akati kana achiona zvemashuwa ngaauye iye nemusi weSunday 9 March 2025 andiudze chandinenge ndakaisa muhomwe. I'm going to borrow $1 million yekuti ndimupe kana munhu yeye akange aona chandinenge ndinacho muhomwe. Then this draw the attention yemaprophets emuZimbabwe nevanhu vemuZimbabwe vakati zvoni vanokwanisa ivo kuchallenja Prophet Makandiwa panyaya yavakataura. Then Prophet Makandiwa came back again yesterday Wednesday 6 March 2024 vakaita ivo live yavo vakati no hapana chakaipa, come and register, muuye imimi mundiratidze zveshuwa kuti munoona here, muri vamwari here. So guys, kusangana kwatiri kuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZim Witness TV, pandinodzoka nemaupdates akasiyana-siyana uye ndinoti kana kari kekutanga kusvika pano ingobayawo button rekusubscribe then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe neevery update yandinodzoka nayo pano zuva nezuva. So Prophet Makandiwa vari kuti come more prepared, makanyatsogadzirira kuti ndo zvamuroda kuita izvi nekuti vamwe vacho vari kuzviti ndevamwari. So muri yeZimbabwe, without wasting much of your time, ngatinzwei Prophet Makandiwa vachitaura nyaya yavo.
Thank you so much for doing so. And again, like I said on Sunday, I'll make sure that I'll give you yet another day where we do the same. It is good for us. It is good for our nation. So we are here tonight. We have some few housekeeping issues that I would want us to attend to. Looking at the service that we had on Sunday, again, we had quite a number of things that needed to be addressed, and I did so. And given the outcome of the service that we had and the service that we are going to have again a few days from now, I realized that we need to be very, very, very organized in the way that we handle ourselves. Now, given the nature of the ministry that some of you are going to be visiting on Sunday, probably it is your first time. You have never been to our ministry. You have never had any fellowship of any sort with us. And you're coming to a completely strange and different place. You may want to be guided on how to attend so that your attendance can be proper. I'm saying this because we don't want to have a situation on a Monday where we have some of the people who might not have had an opportunity to make use of an opportunity that was offered on Sunday. Because the nature of our ministry, I can tell you this, already we have thousands of people that you can ask, and they have been coming to church, and they can tell you for weeks they haven't seen my face, unless if it's on a screen. I'm not talking of hundreds of people, we're talking of thousands of people outside. If I'm not to visit, if I'm not to go out, they keep coming, yet without seeing me live. So this is the situation that we have. So given the number, such a huge number, I'm not here to talk about numbers. I'm just trying to show you how difficult it might be for some of you to gain access and for us to even be aware that you have attended. We don't want to rob you of an opportunity that has been given to you, that is at your disposal. And then it could be a lifetime opportunity for some people out there, especially not just those that are coming to attend, but those that are coming to participate in what has been offered. So because of that, we require that you register. Our team is going to help you get registered. They're going to make it so easy and so simple, so brief and straightforward. So that from tonight, Wednesday, you start registering. We need your name, your proper name. I understand sometimes as prophets, maybe in different sectors or even as you know the way that you function. We end up getting different names that are not on our proper identification documents. It is important that you register using your proper name, and as you come on Sunday, you also bring your ID. This is going to help us remember there is money, there is payment involved in this. You are not going to be paying anything. You are not going to be losing anything. You just have to come, but you simply have to follow some few procedures. There is no place where you can be offered such an amount of money and there is no condition, there are no terms. It's impossible. We are doing this so that this should not be difficult for you. So the people that are coming to register, it's not everyone in attendance, but the people that are coming to be showcasing their God-given talent. If it's a God-given talent, you have the opportunity. If it is a devil-given talent, you still have the opportunity. So what we are not going to allow to happen, I want you to understand this, because we are a house, we are a home, and we have got our own way of doing things. The reason why I had to give people from Sunday to Sunday, it is so that you can do whatsoever you know to do best in order for you to acquire knowledge, to have access into privacy, until you get to know what is going to be concealed. I will state briefly why we needed to have this. It's not a game. It's not part of sports. And neither is it a joke. This is a very serious matter. And I'll try to elaborate on that again tonight. And the reason why we are coming in the middle of the week, Pastor, it is so that we bring clarity to some of these issues. Yeah. So you are going to please make use of the entrance. In any place that you visit, there's always the main entrance. We are going to have our people ready. From that point on, they will receive you properly. You don't have to be confused by anything. Obviously, you are going to be interacting with thousands of people and you might end up getting lost. So you go straight to the main gate and you introduce yourself by name and your identity, and you let them know that you registered. You will have people that will take you through and they will give you a proper place where you sit and you wait for an opportunity that you would have come for. So this must not be difficult for you to do. And the reason why we are trying to bring order, it is because also of some of the people that we have seen. I've allowed my team to look into communications. People have been communicating through our different platforms, yes, wanting to have an understanding on how to conduct themselves. Yes. Some of the things that I can never allow people to do is if you are to come and for you to just give me 3 names, it has to take you 5 hours. It has to take you 2 hours. It has to take you a whole entire process of ritual activities where you have to be probably loitering around our place and you run up and down and you are probably sprinkling blood that we don't even know where it came from on our place. We have people that are also uncomfortable with some of those practices. So what we urge you to do is to do all that, before you come. When you come, it doesn't have to be a long process. Yeah, must simply name. I'll let you know when we get to that part. So it doesn't have, so don't come and then you say, they stopped me from doing this. They stopped me from doing this. They stopped me from doing this. You must simply deliver. You must let us know what is concealed. The process is, if you are spiritual enough and you hear, you have got your way of communicating, still our place should not go through some form of abuse just in order for you to let me know of such a thing. So we are saying this before the day, lest you come and you say, they didn't give me an opportunity. If I were to visit your place, I would have to follow certain protocols. So you are not doing us, remember, any favor. You are coming. It is you that is probably going to be known, and it is you that gets whatever needs to be gotten from this process. So following very simple principles must not be a difficult thing. It's not something hard. We are not demanding, we're not asking for something impossible. What we're trying to have is order. And we don't want you to miss this opportunity simply because we didn't recognize that you were in attendance. So take note of that. If you think it's just a simple announcement, you pay us a visit and you realize it is possible. You can come, you can go, and you won't get that chance. So please do register and then you come. Our team will be ready, our ushers will be ready to assist you nicely upon your arrival and until you depart. So that is the situation that we have on the ground. I felt it is important because I know what might start coming out soon after. Some might want to take advantage of the confusion that they will see there and want to hide behind their finger and say, I didn't get a chance. You have to register. So the registration has to end on Saturday. By Saturday, we would have known who is coming to either predict or to prophesy.